Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to learn what are stealth orders, what is the meaning of stealth orders and how these orders are going to help us in our trading. What is the purpose of stealth orders in our premium apps? Okay, so let's start. Basically, stealth orders tab looks like this. Okay, this is the representation of stealth orders, and stealth orders are designed to hide our entries from the world market. Okay, stealth orders is going to hide our entry from the market, so it will hide our entry and exit level from the market, and it will also hide our pending orders, and it will also create hidden pending order. Like for example, if we have created any pending order, so it will not place that pending order, but instead of placing that pending order, it will automatically create live trade whenever that pending order level is reached. For example, buy limit, sell limit, or whatever pending order we are creating. Okay, so main purpose is to hide our entry and exit level from the market, and next one is that it will hide our pending order also. So stealth orders is going to have some more features, and in those features we have stealth entries, exits, sample exits, and accounts exit. Now we will take a look at the all of these entries and exit with full details. And similarly, there are two disadvantages of using these stealth orders. Okay, what are those disadvantages? First disadvantage is that we can get more slippage. Okay, slippage is something like that. For example, you have created your pending order on one place, but whenever market is volatile, so your pending order couldn't be triggered after the difference of 5 pips, 10 pips, or even more than that. Okay, and some broker also does that in our real trading when we have created our pending orders on our mt4. Okay, so this could be the disadvantage of our stealth order. And here, orders are only processed if app is running and it is connected to our broker. But in normal trading, if we have created any buy or sell limit or any pending order, and then we shut down our mt4, then still our order will be triggered when its price is going to reach at that level. So these are the two disadvantages of stealth orders. Okay, now we will go to mt4 and we will see its setups and its further details also. Okay, so let's start. So to get stealth orders on our MT4, first of all make sure that auto trading option is enabled, and from the tools then go to option, and from the expert advisors tab make sure that allow automated trading and allow dealer imports are also clicked. Then press OK, and then just drag and drop stealth orders from here up to this region, and then we will get stealth orders. Okay, now make sure that allow dealer imports and allow live trading option is enabled, and then press OK. So here we got our stealth orders. First option is stealth entries, second one is exits, third one is symbols, fourth one is account, and fifth one is log. Okay, now we can make our app also bigger or smaller by dragging the corners of our app. Okay, and we can change its language also. Okay, but anyways, now we will see it's some more features. So first one is stealth entries. Stealth entries are used for the limit and stop orders. Okay, for limits and stop orders also. And here we can create OCA group, that is one cancels all. We have already studied OCA group. Okay, in that whenever one order will be triggered, all of the remaining orders will be deleted. Okay, so let's take a look at the new stealth entry. Press here, then we can select our desired pair. Like for example, here I want to select GBP USD. Here we can select our lot size 0.01. Then I can select my desired trade. Okay, I will select buy limit, and here I can select current price or fixed price also. Okay, from current price, I can select pips. Okay, So I am selecting 20 pips. I can select my stop loss pips, okay, and similarly I can select my take profits, okay. So these parameters I have filled for my new trade, and here we can create our OCA group. One cancels all, like for example, we have too many pending orders. So whenever our first order will be triggered, all of the remaining order will be closed, okay, and then I will press save. So here you can see my new order has been placed, and I can check its details here, and it is telling me that we are almost 19 pips away from that trade. Okay, right now here we can see there is no pending order here. Okay, in normal cases we can see pending orders. So whenever price will reach to this level, it will automatically place directly trade on that level, okay. Right now it is hiding our pending order from the market. So this is the advantage of stealth order entries, okay. Now our next option is new stealth exit. What is the meaning of that? Basically this is used for setting stop loss and take profit exit from the market. Now keep in mind that right now I have no open trade, okay, and if I am going to click here, it says that there are no open position in the platform, okay. So for example, I will place any trade. I have placed a trade. So here I will do some modification with the help of stealth order. Okay. This is the ticket number we can see. We can choose option whole ticket percentage or quantity. Okay. We can set our stop loss. We can set our take profit. For setting stop loss, we have 3 to 4 options. Okay. Fixed price at this level, pips, cash, or trailing stop. Okay. Right now we can select pips from here, and for setting take profit we can select our fixed price, we can select our pips from current level, and we can select cash also, okay. Like for example in this case I will select price. So my price should be, so for example here I will select pips, okay. I can set my stop loss at 20 pips and then I can save it, okay. So right now here you can see it is telling us that our floating profit or loss, it is telling us current price, it is telling us our stop loss, it is telling us our take profit. In this app we can see our stop loss and take profit, but in this normal trade terminal we cannot see our stop loss and take profit, okay. So it will do our stop loss and take profit in a hidden way. So this is the advantage of stealth orders, okay. Basically it is going to give us all the functionalities of our trades, stop loss, take profit, in pending orders, buy limit, sell limit, whatever we are going to get, those will be done in a hidden way, okay. So our next option is symbols, okay. This is desired for a particular symbol. Like for example, if we have trades of 4 to 5 symbol, euro USD, GBP USD, Aussie dollar, okay, here we can select any our desired symbol. Like I will select GBP USD, okay, and I can choose different option here, take profit, stop loss, whatever we can select. We can choose different options also here. We can close all our trades. We can close our buy trades. We can close our short trades. Here we can select our limit also. So in this way we can save them. Right now here you can see we have got a new stealth order for our particular symbol, that is GBP USD pound sterling, okay. And here we can see our floating profit or loss, and it is telling us more details for closing that trade also, okay. Now our fourth option is account exits, okay. What is the meaning of account exit and what is the importance of account exit, okay. For that, basically account exit is used to close all of the trades which are running in our account in a single click, okay. For that, we will click here, and here we can select our account floating profit or loss, account equity, account free margin, account used margin. Okay, we can select our loss level here, we can select our profit level here, and we can select to close our pending orders here. So it is used for closing all the accounts trades. Okay, then I will press save. So it is telling us all about for closing the account order entries. Okay, now next one is log. It will tell us all the details which we have already adjusted in our stealth orders. Okay, all the details, like here we have done account order, symbol exit, account exit, ticket number, all of those details we can get it, and we can also download these details. Okay, so in this way stealth orders are also very important. Basically the purpose of using stealth orders is that they can hide our trades from the market, they can hide our stop loss, take profit, pending orders, all of those things. Okay, I am sure that now you have full concept of stealth orders. If you have any query, if you have any ambiguity, you can still ask me here, and I will answer your question. Okay, so this was the explanation of stealth orders. Thank you so much.